Dotty the dog. A dog named Dotty found a bone. He picked up the bone to eat it in his kennel. He had to cross a stream to reach his home. While walking on the bridge, he looked down. He saw his own reflection in the water. He thought that it was another dog with another bone. He barked as he wanted the other bone too. His bone fell into the water. He jumped into the water to search for his bone. He could not find it. He was sad. He came out shivering and walked home with nothing to eat.